comparing offline search and online search. For the offline search, the environment is completely known before the search begins. The agent first plans the complete path from the start to the goal. Only after the planning is complete, it executes the solution. No learning takes place during execution because everything is already known. And examples include route planning on a known map, solving puzzles, or searching in a fully defined graph. While for the online search, the environment for the agent is completely unknown. It moves one step at a time. After every move, it observes the surroundings through its senses. It learns new information, updates its knowledge, and then decides the next action. And planning and execution happens together. Examples include exploration robots, autonomous drones, self-driving cars, rescue robots, and planetary rovers. Compared with offline search, online search may travel a longer path because it must explore while searching. However, it is the only practical solution when the environment is unknown or changing. Finally, remember the simplest difference between these two approaches. For offline search, plan first and then execute. While for the online search, move, observe, learn, and repeat. And this single comparison summarizes the main idea of the entire chapter. Okay.